Hello YouTube, as I promised, let's turn this form and PHP script into calculator in PHP. So first let's check our form. Okay, so let's upgrade this. We will remain first and second number as they are here. And down there we need field for actual operation like subtraction, multiplication and so on. So yeah, right here, operation, uppercase O. And right here we need to state the same thing, operation, right? So everything is fine now. Okay, we will have normal stuff here, and down there we will just say plus, minus and so on. So yeah, let's go to PHP script. We don't need these checks for now. Yeah, we need to extract from form operation. So classical stuff like above. Operation equals post is a method, and we are grabbing operation, so that's cool. Don't forget semicolon. And for simplicity reasons, while we are typing, to save ourselves a little bit of time, we will just use first and second as variables here. So let's go with actual checks, like if operation equals plus as a string, we will do, well, addition, like echo and result of addition, and not addition. We will concatenate that to actual result, which will be inside of brackets. You know, this is classical mathematical stuff, you know. So when you're doing anything that looks a little bit of more mathematicky, you know, complicated, just use it into quotes and you'll be pretty much done. So first plus second, and that will be pretty much it for addition. So let me test that. First number 10, second number 500, operation, addition, submit, and there you go, the thing works. Now, of course, you can beautify your report here more that I'm doing, but you know, let's just stick with the point. Now, next thing for subtraction, and we will use else if here. Right, so this will be quick. We'll switch to minus and minus in operation, and the report will be subtraction. Now, if I'm creating some kind of errors while typing English here, correct me on this one. As I said, I'm not native English speaker or writer, whatever. Yeah, where I was. Let's test this. Okay, 1000. Operation negative, submit, and there you go, that works. Same thing for, let's say, multiplication. We'll just, yeah, use star here and star here and custom report multiplication. Okay, let me test that incrementally because we need to test our stuff, like 50 times 50. Okay, don't forget star here. 2500. Right, so now don't say else and go to division. We will use else for all other errors you're gonna create, and there will be those errors. So let me just type that and you will see what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's just copy paste things. So else operation is division, and let's change that into actual brackets. Now let's change our custom report to division. I think it's division or division. Correct me on this, as I said. So yeah, let's test that. 10, result need to be 5, submit, and there you go, thing works. So the alternative is the last thing, like there is no more than that, and we will use else to do that. So if you type something silly here like ZZ or BB or something stupid, then you need to get that error. So this is like a rudimentary basic check, you know. Right, so else, and we will say just echo wrong or weird operation, and smiley, why not? And that's pretty much it. So let's check that, like ZZ submit, and weird operation. So there you go, the thing works. Okay, so you can, repeat this if you like, or you can turn this into something that will, for example, calculate area of triangle or something, mathematical. I don't know, it's up to you basically, but you can practice this. Nothing special here, nothing, no big deal. So we were just adding a new field here in HTML form, and then we are grabbing that additional operation. And then for all those operations which we have in the mathematics, we are doing individual if, portion of code with, of course, if at the start, else if in the middle, and else at the end, because there is no more than that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Relatively simple stuff. If you don't get this, just don't torture yourself. You will get this tomorrow or 1 week from now, and the point is that you will get it eventually, so don't torture yourself. There is no born programmers. Well, at least I think, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up, and I definitely need to go to sleep. And as always, thank you for watching, for support, and see you next tutorial. So see you there.